Hey y'all! Today we're going to show you how to make 4 magical drinks for the upcoming premiere of The Rings of Power.
This one is called the Bloody Mary and Pippin.
So cute! The next one is called a Forged Mule. This mega magical one is called Sunrise in Valinor.
And this one, the cute shot, is Song of the Elves. So first I'm going to make the Bloody Mary and Pippin drink. So
buttons.
Start off with 1 shot of your favorite vodka, or more, depending on how strong you want it.
That's your prerogative.
Yeah. If it was the weekend, I might do 2 shots. And then you're going to have 1 shot of olive juice.
Stephanie, do you know if you mouth olive juice, it looks like I love you?
Olive juice.
But mouth it.
I can't do it.
Oh.
I just want to say it out loud.
I know.
It does look like you're saying I love you.
Thank you.
And then I'm going to add half a shot of pickle juice because I don't want it too strong. But add as much as you want.
That was super dilly pickles.
It was very strong, so.
Piccadilly.
Mm-hmm. But a lot of people don't put pickle juice and olive juice in their Bloody Mary and Pippin, so highly suggest it.
It sets it apart.
And then I'm going to add a squeeze of...
Wait, you have it upside down.
Oh, I do.
You're going to squirt yourself in the eyeball.
Yep. I did it.
I saved your life again.
I always do it right, and for some reason I did it wrong this time. So 1 squeeze of half a lime. And now, that's almost everything. I'm going to add, I believe it's 1.5 cup of Zing Zang mix. I got this at Kroger. I'm going to mix it up because the stuff settles. All the seasonings settle on the bottom. So there's 1 cup, and it's full.
Turns out.
It worked.
It's 1
Perfect.
cup.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Depending on your glass and how strong you want the Zing Zang juice, you do your thing.
And I think this is spicy enough, but you can always add hot sauce to it.
Yes, this actually is like the perfect spice.
It is.
But if you want it spicier, like she said, add a little bit of more.
It just gives you like mild heartburn, but not like burning inferno. You're not going to hot that esophagus.
Mm-hmm. And that's everything that goes in there. And then you just mix it all up.
Oh, it smells so good.
Immediately.
It smells like vacation, don't it?
The aromas, specifically cruise vacation.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to taste it.
Brown County vacation.
Mmm. Delicious. It's like perfect. To make it extra hoppity. Nope.
Hippity hoppity.
Hippity poppity.
Hip hop anonymous.
Hobbity-ish.
Hobbity lobby.
Extra hobbity.
Homily.
I made.
Homily.
There we go.
There it is. Mm-hmm.
I made benedictine sandwiches and pimento cheese because I feel like that's something they would eat
Absolutely.
for their nighttime drink.
Yeah.
You just put it on there,
It travels well.
and that is your presentation. Isn't it pretty? All right, on to the next.
All right. So now we're going to show you how to do our dwarf-inspired drink, which is going to be a Forged Mule. Mm-hmm. So we're going to do bourbon instead of vodka. It makes it different. So what we're going to do first is take a handful of raspberries. There's no measurement. It's just whatever you feel like. Raspberries. And then we're going to muddle it in your muddle cup. Puddle of muddle.
Muddler. Your muddler.
Your bet muddler.
I say no words.
Okay. Next, we're gonna add some lime. No words given, right?
Nothing to say.
Then we're gonna add in a shot, a little less than a shot of raspberry syrup, and finally a shot of 4 Roses.
It has to come from your fancy
Bourbon.
glass.
It does. This is my grandpa's.
You're really bad at pouring
I
stuff in
am.
there.
Thank you. We did it. Now we're gonna add some ice.
How to get your hands cold?
Yes. All right, so now we're gonna strain. That was Random Thoughts with Stephanie. That's why we leave that one strainer in, but otherwise, it takes too long, man.
Yeah, all the raspberry seeds and gunk get stuck.
I'm just saying,
come out fast.
I pressed crushed ice, and my fridge is like, you're gonna get what you get, and you'll be lucky to get it. Keep on straining, keep on straining. So then, take your ginger beer, doesn't matter what brand this is, Gosling's. We got it because it has a cute seal, and I am nothing if not a label biatch.
Yeah, you and camera crew Kelly, y'all are all about the labels.
If it's cute,
and the way it looks,
I'm buying it. Then we're gonna add in a raspberry seltzer, not alcoholic, a regular seltzer.
Perfume, if you will. Liquid perfume that
TV
you
static.
ingest.
Yeah. Here's our garnish. We did a lime with a twist and a raspberry.
Literally twist.
It just adds. We've obviously made a mess. Pay no attention.
It's all about presentation, y'all.
On to the next.
All right, so now we are going to make a drink that is called Sunrise in Valinor. Oh no, I lost my ear like Van Gogh. Van Gogh inspired. Hold on. So first we're going to start off with mashing our cucumbers.
Pass
the mash. I love it. I've never seen that before, and then Mikey showed me.
Oh my gosh.
And you're going to give this a good go. And then you're going to pick up a fingerful of mint. You're not going to go ham on it. You're just going to lightly get it in there.
You can go little ham. You're gonna go pickle it.
And that's it. Next, we're going to add some gin that was infused with butterfly pea flower tea. We didn't have it on us here, so look in the description below and you'll see what kind of tea we used. So for the tea, to make it this color, this pretty bluish purple, you have to steep it for at least 10 minutes. I should just overnight though if you want it darker.
I agree.
So just a shot of that.
Oh, and when she says steep, she means just put the tea bag in the alcohol. Do not heat up your alcohol.
Yeah, don't heat it up.
Or it'll turn back into water.
Yep.
Maybe. Yeah.
And you'll lose your alcohol if you heat it up. I'm gonna add a half a shot of simple syrup. Glug, 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 glug. Glug. And then we're gonna put a little bit of ice in there and shake it up.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay.
I'm gonna do the first step.
Okay, you can.
I do.
It's
So
cold.
the first step is adding in your Elderflower tonic water. This is Fever Tree brand. And you're just gonna add this about an inch up your cup. Ooh, it fizzes. I'll give it a minute. Wow.
Sorry.
Chaos.
Oh, you can smell that.
Yeah, that's
The
good.
mint.
You smell Elderflower. It smells like New Orleans. Okay.
So I'm just gonna add this in with a strainer so you don't get all the chunks. Going slowly. It's so pretty.
It is.
It's beautiful. Look at our little baby. All right, so for our little garnish, we're gonna add, you wanna put it on there?
Yeah, okay.
Yes. It's a little cucumber peel and also a little lime juice and a little carrier we made from a map from Lord of the Rings. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the magic. So when you present it to your watch party, you're going to be like, look at this ordinary drink, y'all.
To your unsuspecting victims. For the magic trick, you take out your lime juice potion. It's an acid. And this is going in your base. So it's going to be a chemical reaction, y'all.
Do you know how many ounces of lime juice, or is it just like one squeeze of a whole one?
It's like a half shot. Or like a squeeze of one lime.
Okay.
A hay shot, if you will. Wow! Chaos!
You see it changing? It's colors, so now you gotta stir it.
Look at it! I don't want to stir it.
It's like a sunrise.
Ah, yeah, I see what you did there.
Yeah. Sunrise in
Sunset.
Valinor. Okay, So stir it. Ooh. Yeah.
Give me your garnish.
And now it's all one pretty color.
And a completely different color than what we started with.
Yes.
Which is the magic.
So when you present it and you tell them what to do, they can see the different layers, like the sunrise, and then they can start to see the magic.
It's a party pleaser. Also, you can't taste the tea. I don't think you can.
No, but I like tea.
I do too, but I can't taste it.
Yeah.
So my saying, I'm like, first of all, you don't need to know. It's magic. That's all I need to know.
So cool. I really
all
like
right.
that one.
Are you ready?
Yep. On to the next.
On to the next. Our final drink.
Ta-da!
You wanted to do it. You did. It's called Song of the Elves, and this one's a little bit magic too. Very easy though. So we're going to take our regular vodka, and we're just going to put, this is a shot glass, but it's a shot and a half.
And not the colored vodka.
Just the clear vodka. All right, then we're going to take some of our gin infusion with the butterfly pea flower, 1.5 milliliters of the infusion.
So pretty in this glass.
I love it. All right, then we're going to put in a little bit of edible glitter.
And it's neon yellow?
Neon Moon.
Neon Moon.
It's called Citrus by
Off of
Discotheque.
Amazon.
I said discotheque. Disco cake.
This
Where's
is
my
beauty.
thing?
This is beautiful. I want to see. Well, there you go.
I put a whole bunch so you can see it.
And now we're going to put tonic water.
And then
Oh, it's so magical.
give it a magical stir.
It has just the hint of purple from the tea and then all the glitter. Song of the Elves. This is all our drinks are spread for your magical watch party for the Rings of Power that y'all are all going to watch.
Yeah.
It's going to look great. Everybody's going to be so impressed.
They will.
Mm-hmm.
You got a crush on somebody, I'm just saying, make them the magical drink.
The magic drinks are for your crush, yes.
Yeah, and say we can make magic like this too.
Just like the elves.
Yeah. Just like those fellas.
Well, I hope y'all all try this. It's really easy and it was really fun.
It was. And it'll make a big impact on your party. It's something to talk about.
Well, even
icebreakers and afterward too. Talk about these.
Yeah.
It was very Stephanie and me.
That's okay.
Anyway.
You're me to me. Well, I hope
That wasn't English. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, Lord. Okay.
I'm speaking Elvish.
We haven't even been drinking these.
No, we haven't. We're about to, though.
Yep. So, until next time, please like,
Share,
and subscribe.
Bye, y'all.